little bit about the 12-week year. It kind of sounds like the 4-hour work week and a little too good to be true. What are we talking about here today, and what's it all about?
So the 12-week year came about because we were working with our clients, and Mike, we first started thinking about what was the value we were going to bring, and we thought about techniques and things that could help them get better. And having had a consulting career, we realized pretty quickly that they had lots of ideas. They had lots of resources. There were package training programs sitting on the shelf that they started and didn't carry through. And so we said, you know what, they don't need another idea. What they need is a system to execute. And so started really working with what does it take to execute at a high level? What are the fundamentals of it? And really kind of put that together, a set of disciplines and principles that drive high performance in any endeavor, whether it's business, whether it's your personal life, whether it's your health, your relationships, whatever it is. And along the way, one of the clients had introduced us, came back, he was into cycling, and he said, hey, are you guys familiar with periodization? And I remember it from college days with lifting and stuff like that. So Michael, my co-author business partner, I took a look at that. And periodization had a big impact in athletics, and it's used in most sports today, whether you know it or not, right? And so we saw that, we took the tenets of it, and we said, you know what, that has applicability for what we're doing. And that's really where the 12-week year was created.
What is one attitude you'd like people to have?
We talk about this concept of greatness in the moment. And that's this notion that life is lived in the moment, that, 2 minutes ago is a memory, the future's not here yet. And ultimately that's where greatness is created. And so I think for a lot of folks, we think if we're ever going to be great at some time in the future, my income's at a certain level, my relationships look a certain way. The truth is you're either great in the moment or you're not.
And one key behavior or action item you would like people to do?
Score your execution, because the greatest predictor of your future are your actions.
And finally, the best technique, tool, or hack to use.
Yeah, I mean, the 12-week year works. It's in 15 languages. We've had hundreds of thousands of people. And so, you get the book, you're going to get some stuff from it. And I really challenge you as you go through it to apply it as a system. If you pick pieces, there'll be some benefit. You apply it as a system, you get better. We've never had anyone apply it as a system and not get better. And that's in all walks of life. And our main focus is salespeople and sales teams. So you don't have to worry, does it work?
Thank you for watching this highlight video from the How to Succeed podcast. You can subscribe to the podcast on iTunes, Google Play, and Spotify, or click subscribe right here in YouTube to get notices about future episodes. And remember, whatever you are, be a good one.